उन्होंने कांग्रेस पार्टी में महिला विंग प्रेसिडेंसी का दारोमदार संभाला। प्रतिमा जी यूथ कांग्रेस में इलेक्टेड प्रेसिडेंट रहीं गोवा स्टेट की 2010 से 2013, फ्रॉम 2010 to 2013. She was also the elected deputy mayor of मडगांव म्यूनिसिपैलिटी, डेप्यूटी मेयर रही, चुनी हुई निर्वाचित मडगांव से 2011 से 2012 तक। प्रतिमा जी was also the elected chairman of the Market Association of Madgaon from 2013 to 2014, and she served as the elected corporator from Madgaon from the year 2010 to 2015, यानी कि 2010 से 2015 तक ये चुनी हुई जनता द्वारा वोट देकर चुनी गई कॉरपोरेटर के तौर पर इन्होंने काम किया। आज हमारी पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय संयोजक दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री आदरणीय अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने प्रतिमा जी को आम आदमी पार्टी की सदस्यता दिलाई, उन्हें अपनी पार्टी में शामिल करा है। मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूँगा कि आने वाले समय में भी हमारी आम आदमी पार्टी की गोवा में जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बिल्डिंग रहेगी, हमारी मुद्दे उठाने की एक पूरी कवायद रहेगी, हमारे कैंपेन्स चलेंगे, उन सब में एक बहुत बड़ा रोल, एक बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा, एक बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी आने वाले समय में प्रतिमा जी निभाएंगी।
Advocate Pratima Betsy Coutinho, as just introduced by him and briefed you all about me. First and foremost, I would like to thank our CM of Delhi, that's Arvind Kejriwal, for taking me, and today it's been an auspicious day for me for joining this Aam Aadmi Party. That's up. Because this party has got its own ideology and believes, and it makes me believe that there's only hope in AAP for future now in Goa. In Goa, we have tried all the different political parties, and every political party have worked for the benefit of themselves and not for the common man. But I believe AAP, under the leadership of our Kejriwal ji, is committed to work for the downtrodden, for the Aam Aadmi, and that has motivated me and inspired me big time. I feel if this government, if AAP comes in Goa, it's gonna be a win-win thing for Goans, because we Goans are looking out for an option. We have seen these national parties which are there are only for themselves and for their benefits and not for the common man. And today if there is option for anyone in Goa, I think it's only AAP. We have seen AAP spurring up. We have seen AAP, the force of AAP. If you all see today on the platform here for the press, I interacted with Arvind Kejriwal sir. Nowhere I felt that I was interacting with the CM of Delhi. Let me tell you all, I have also been a part of National Party in the past, and I've seen how it was, what attitude the CMs, including Goan CMs, what attitude they have. But here while talking to Arvind Kejriwal ji, it was like such a humble guy with so much of humility. He was sitting with his posture, with his chappals, normal shirt, pant, sida sada, and he made me feel like home. So that has impressed me. Sad to say that since I've joined today, there in Goa today, one thing I would like to say, there in Goa today, now they have just appointed a temporary Mahila Adhyaksha, temporary, because I resigned, and it's a big news in Goa. But whom they have again chosen, it's a shame, that's what I'm trying to tell. Again they have chosen a 63-year-old woman who is an ex-wife of the Lok Sabha Parliament MP, or the or I can say the ex-president of GPCC. An old lady again, legacy. You all don't get, there are so many youngsters. So this is what, I am happy that I am in a party where Arvind Kejriwal is heading. They are trying to promote the youth, the hard-working team, the young team, the clean, non-corrupt. And I want to end up only by saying that AAP is the only hope. I am sitting here in the national capital, but I am trying to give a message to Goans. We are coming in Goa.
आम आदमी पार्टी जो गोवा में है अभी हर विलेज में पहुंच चुकी है। पिछले 3 महीनों में हमने वी स्टार्टेड द वीज आंदोलन, जो दिल्ली में आम आदमी सरकार हर हाउस होल्ड को 200 यूनिट वीज मुफ्त दे रही है। सो वी हैव बीन आस्किंग द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ गोवा, why is it not possible for the government of Goa, which is a very small state compared to Delhi, that they should also be giving. We at Aam Aadmi Party Goa are extremely happy that today Pratima Coutinho has joined the party. As Raghav said, she has got an illustrious career in social and political life, and I am sure her joining will be of great advantage to the party